Hello, we are Joni and Sarah from Vantastic.
Exciting times! Do you know what?
We are back in Finland!
Finland!
The ferry to Finland was the first thing in 2 years that we had some kind of schedule to be somewhere.
And it was so scary.
And all the schedules continues here in Finland. We actually came here to take a MOT on our van. I hope we can get through it without any errors.
Notifications or fix.
Because it feels like there's nothing wrong in the van and it looks good, feels good, so yes. But this has to be done so we can drive again in Finland.
I think this is perfect time to come to visit Finland because nights are still a bit nippy, but you can see the summer is here because sun is shining.
We are glad to be here and there's a lot of things that we want to go. There's a lot of hardware stores and lots of good grocery stores that we want to go.
All the foods that we have missed.
Yeah. Round 2. We couldn't fit in the first MOT center, so we came to second one. But hopefully, fingers crossed, our Vandal will go through without any notice.
Never boring day in van life. A little plot twist after plot twist.
We failed our MOT.
And our MOT is due.
So we cannot drive the van. Only drive here to the car service. So they're gonna service it, I think, a couple of days from here. So we're gonna take the Uber to Sarah's mom. Vandal will stay here and be pampered. A couple of things on the platform were clunky, so they need to change them.
Yeah, but now we will wait our Uber.
Fast forward, the MOT is passed now.
And service is done, and it's such a great feeling to be back in the Nordic countries where you take your van to the car service.
And you can say for sure that it's gonna be fixed, no matter what.
It's good feeling. And when you live on the road full time, you cannot use your favorite mechanics.
So you have to use whatever is available.
Sometimes it can be a problem to find somebody
who wants to even look at your van.
Yeah.
So it's a strange. But this cost us 944 euros. Basically a wearable chassis parts that they changed.
Yeah, so Fiat is still a really good car.
Yeah.
Zero breakdowns
Still. Yes. But the MOT is passed, so we are like
smiling a lot.
It's been a little bit of adjusting to driving culture in Finland and also in Germany. I have to stop to stop signs. It's still really hard and you can get really easily fines without stopping on stop signs. So I have to really concentrate on those situations. Driving culture compared to Germany, it's quite the same, but in Finland there ain't that much cars. Our rush hours are not rush hours. There's just some more cars than usually. Yeah, easy to drive and I have to just remember to stop the stop signs.
First thing we have to do is bunch of laundry here in Finland.
What I love about Finland is DIY stores in here. For example, Puilo. It's a DIY store for home things, everything. You can do everything yourself. And these are huge. They have a huge selection of stuff, so you don't have to go seek for electrical parts from the electrical man and some screws from the screw guy. That's it in the Balkans. Yeah, it works, but this is much better. You can go in one store and buy everything. Puilois, for example, they are more like a home improvement store. When in Motonet is more like cars. You can buy all car spare parts there, all oils, whatever you need for car. Wires, seals, shampoos, everything. And yeah, Puilo is my favorite. We have also normal hardware stores, which are a bit more expensive. They are just like Bauhaus. but Puilo is like it's much cheaper, but still good products.
I think we will go to the grocery store and finally buy some Finnish goodies that we have been craved.
Yeah, rye bread, a melted cheese.
We came to Turku archipelago. This is an island and it's incredible windy and cold here. I had to put my winter hat on because I'm freezing cold. Really beautiful place. This is owned by my extended family. We are located in the island, but nowadays here goes the bridge, so we can drive here with our Vandalf and enjoy the place. Yeah, there is a house. It's a wooden house and very primitive. We do have an outhouse, so composting toilet, and there's no running water. So really primitive settings, which we really prefer. This is like a start of the summer to us, and it feels so good to be back in Finland. We are going to enjoy the place for a few days. Just stare at the Baltic Sea, go hot sauna, wooden heated sauna, and go swim in the freezing cold sea. Yeah, amazing place, but so cold. Hopefully the wind calms down a bit when we go to sauna to enjoy. But it doesn't matter because the sauna will be hot anyway.
Back to Finland and all the docks in Finland. If people buy a plot in Finland from seaside or lakeside, first thing they build is a dock. Greece has millions of kilometers of seashore, but zero docks. I don't know why. This is a really Finnish thing. Everyone wants to have their own dock. Just spending time in a dock, I think it's also a really good way to spend time. Yeah, loving it. Sunsets and sea this time, but really beautiful. Wooden heated sauna, best thing in the world. We were 2 years away. We have been so longing to get sauna. It's totally different feeling to go sauna. All the pores are really cleansed and it's relaxing. Yeah. And the best löylyys you can get in a wood heated sauna. Much better than in the electrical ones. So I think this will be a really great evening. I've been so much longing for this. 2 years without sauna. Finnish people, 2 years without sauna. That's absurd.
The views cannot get better than this. Sauna is built at top of the sea, and nowadays it's illegal. But back in the days when the sauna house was built, it was totally legal. Yeah, we are going to enjoy sauna and admire the beautiful sunset in the Baltic Sea and hear the seagulls screaming.
It's so wonderful to be back in Finland.
Cold Finland, but at least sun is shining.
Yeah, it's a new chapter on our lives again. We have been on the road for 2 years and now we are back in Finland. Little bit more steady life, maybe.
Yeah. There is exciting news coming. If you are a YouTube member, Vantastic fam, join there. There's a little sneak peek. Do you know what is going on? We are selling our van!